I was thinking of my dad, who was a designing engineer, and he, he would actually work on stuff like this and invent things. And look at that little clip right there. They made that special to hold that little window in right there. I wish my dad could see that. And if he were here today, I'd make him hold the flashlight. And every time it moved just the slightest bit, I'd yell at him. Hey, I want to point out some really cool things about this machine. One is that there's these little doors right here, and there's these spinning wheels, and you reset these at the top of the day, and it does all sorts of things. And this one here, it counts how many customers you had. You just set it to 0 every day, and then off you go, and then you could check that. It's supposed to have a key. I don't have that, so that's why I haven't slammed that shut and closed it. Also, there should be a piece of marble right here, and you think, wow, that would make it really look nice, but it had a specific function, and what that was that if you got a fake coin, you could tell the difference between that and a silver coin. Silver coin probably made a nice dink, and the other one went doink. Not sure, but about the sound, but you get the idea. And my another favorite thing about this is that right here in the drawer is a little safe. I don't have a key for it, but it is where you would put the gold pieces.